Today we're gonna bring a portable selfie stick slash tripod because it's all built in with itself. If you guys can see it, very portable, easy to transport. I'm actually outdoors today testing it out, and so far I'm loving this thing. Now, it does have a fixture, a little remote control, if you guys can see it right in front of it. The remote control could be attached and you could actually control it. Now, you do have to set up your Bluetooth on your actual phone. That's a very simple process to do, but the best thing about it, if you guys can see it, it actually pops up in the front here. And this one, I actually set up my large phone. I have an Ultra 21 Galaxy, a Samsung, and it's able to fit in here. That means any phone is able to fit in here. Now, the system itself, if you guys can see, this is adjustable to set up to your liking, all right? And look at how stretched it is. It stretches as long as I am tall. It's about close to like 5 or 6 feet, four and a half feet, I would say, long. So pretty long little distance. Now, the best thing about it that I have, it's a hidden, there's a nice actually tripod in here. And this thing expands and holds the actual ground pretty good because it has rubber ends at the end. And when you expand it, it becomes a little butterfly, opens up in the bottom. All 3 legs are open, expanding. You can stretch it up as much as you want. And when you close it, it automatically closes in when you put it away. So once you have it open and you want to stand up the tripod, just a matter of just opening on the bottom, expands, lifts, and then we want to put it away. The whole thing collapses and becomes one single fixture. It looks like a lightsaber, to be honest with you. The light indicates that it's active right now, but it turns off after a couple minutes. This thing is very portable, easy to take anywhere, and we're gonna test it out and see how well it works. Up, lock it in place. We can start recording here and do a selfie of us. Go even longer if you want and shorten this out. Get a bird's eye view of how you want to see yourself. And then we can always stop it from here.